What does science, technology and the latest research say about life beyond our planet Earth? We give you the most cordial welcome to this new documentary. I am the Engineer Hiddekel Morrison and I greatly value that you decide to watch this educational content, where we will address, based on scientific data, the real abundant and varied possibilities of life in the immense, vast and apparently desolate universe. Be sure to watch until the end all the interesting information and data that we will share with you from an engineer's perspective. Let's start. There is solid evidence that the life we know can also exist in other galaxies, universes and planets, as strongly supported by multiple scientific investigations. Scientific documentation establishes that our planet Earth originated about 4,500 million years ago, where life arose 3,800 million years ago. Life originated 700 million years after the formation of our planet and almost 10,000 million years after the origin of the universe with the so-called Big Bang. But multiple scientific evidence has been able to determine that the oldest known galaxy was formed 400 million years after the origin of the universe, when only 3% of the entire universe existed. This establishes a potential time reference for the appearance of life, about 9,000 million years before it emerged on Earth. Establishing with this a demonstration in temporal analysis that life in the vast universe is not necessarily exclusive to our planet Earth. It has already been possible to verify the existence of enormous quantities of complex organic molecules in space, molecules that are precursors of life, which are also in galaxies that are beyond the galaxy of which our planet Earth is a part, called via Milky. So it is proven that those initial conditions that would give rise to life are common throughout the universe. There is no reason to doubt that life, in all probability, has arisen in other parts of the universe, although we have never been able to confirm it, but if we explain it as we will do next. But first, I ask you to support us by liking this video, sharing this video with your contacts, and subscribing to this channel, turning on notifications, so with your support, we can continue to frequently generate interesting documentaries on aerospace technology and the universe. Thank you for contributing to the creation of educational content. Confirming the existence of life outside our planet Earth is only a matter of time. It is scientifically proven that all the components for life on our planet Earth are common and abundant throughout the vast universe. In addition to the conditions that are required for the combination of these elements to transform into biological life, it may be probabilistically very common in the billions of planets that are currently orbiting millions of suns. It is highly likely that the conditions that existed for life on our planet Earth can be replicated. Although logically with incredibly variable evolutionary possibilities, they can be planets where the existing life is not yet intelligent like ours or is more intelligent. In addition to the fact that the dominant intelligent life in these potential planets could have forms and physical characteristics as varied as any of the thousands of species that exist on planet Earth, which means they could be reptile-shaped, fish-shaped, bird-shaped, or various puzzling combinations. In addition to the fact that they could have developed on planets where water predominates, for which their physical characteristics, their culture, their knowledge, their way of communicating, their technology and everything that characterizes them could be based on environments and laws very different from those that we have come to understand. If we properly integrate and analyze all the evidence, research and scientific discoveries, it could be argued that the possibility of life in the universe is not only possible, but also massive, varied and abundant. It is the immense physical limitations, distance and a large number of characteristics that make contact almost impossible. Well, at those immense distances we still cannot see with any of the existing technologies and the ships still cannot travel for so many billions of years at those distances. It is our technological and, above all, biological limitation that makes contact with the highly probable, very abundant life in the universe impossible. It is not that there is no life in the universe, it is that we still cannot meet or communicate with it. But by logical scientific derivation it could practically be ensured that life in the universe is varied and massive. What do you think about these real possibilities? I invite you to have a scientific debate in the comments of this video. See you there. As usual, we appreciate you informing us. It is a real pleasure to be able to provide you with the main news, trends and developments about the most important aspects of aerospace technology and the universe, from the perspective of an engineer. I am the Engineer Hiddekel Morrison, and I invite you to meet again in a future installment.